In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize fonts in Shopify, offering an easy and quick tutorial perfect for beginners. Whether you're new to Shopify or just looking to refresh your store's appearance, changing fonts can make a big difference in your site's look and feel, providing a professional and polished touch that aligns with your brand identity. First, let's start by navigating to your Shopify admin page. Log into your Shopify account, and you'll find yourself on your store's main dashboard. This is your control center where all site customization begins. Look on the left sidebar and click on Online Store. This section is where you can access your site's themes, customize settings, and much more. Once you're inside the Online Store section, you'll notice there's a Themes tab at the top. Click on it, and then look for the Customize button, which appears next to your active theme. Clicking this will take you to the Theme Editor, a powerful tool where you can visually adjust various aspects of your online store, including fonts. In the top bar of the theme editor, you'll find a gear icon that, when clicked, reveals the theme settings. This gear icon is crucial as it opens up options for deeper customization, including our focus today. Typography. After clicking on the hot gear icon, locate the typography section in the settings. Typography governs all the font-related settings on your site, from the text style to size. Clicking Typography will reveal all available customization options specifically related to fonts. Navigate to the Headings section once you're inside the typography settings. This portion allows you to modify the fonts used for your site's headers. Headers are a significant part of your site's visual hierarchy, so customizing these first will set the tone for the rest of your content. Following that, click on Font to choose your desired typeface. Shopify offers a varied selection of fonts, so take your time to browse through and pick one that fits your brand's aesthetic. Remember, readability and consistency are key, so make sure you choose one that's not only stylish but also easy to read. Lastly, explore the Scale section. Here you can adjust the font size, ensuring that the text is neither too big nor too small for your design. Adjusting the scale can dramatically influence how users interact with your content, so try to find a balance that enhances both aesthetics and usability. And that's it! You've successfully customized your Shopify store's fonts. With these changes, your online store should now better align with your brand's identity. Experiment with these settings to see what works best for you, and don't forget to save your changes before exiting. Thank you for watching, and happy designing!